The long-awaited folk iPhone SE 2 will cost as much as its predecessor? That is only $400? More and more rumors and leaks indicate that in the near future Apple will really release a smartphone, which will be called either iPhone SE 2 or iPhone 9. Different parameters and different prices are attributed to him, but most of the data is still similar. If you focus on this information, we will expect a smartphone with a 4.7-inch screen, Touch ID fingerprint scanner, Apple A13 Bionic platform, and all this in a slightly updated design of the iPhone 8 model. The long-awaited folk iPhone SE 2 will cost as much as its predecessor. The price is harder. Some sources say about $400, because from this point in time iPhone SE started. Others call the price at $450, or even $500, pointing to the current platform. The source claims that the novelty will still cost exactly $400. This price is needed by Apple for several reasons. Firstly, it will allow Apple to increase its share in the Indian market. And secondly, to win back its positions in Chinese. In addition, an affordable iPhone will allow the company to attract new users who previously could not afford a new Cupertino smartphone, but did not want to buy old models. In addition, the available current model will allow Apple to avoid the need to significantly reduce the price of the iPhone 11, as it was with the iPhone XR.